Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the looped double crochet stitch. This is a nice open stitch that creates kind of a nice lacy look to it. To crochet a looped double crochet, you're going to begin as if you're working a double crochet. You're going to yarn over, then you're going to insert your hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. Now you're going to pull this loop up to the height of a double crochet. Then you're going to pinch the yarn on your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Now by pinching, you've created this, you're holding this back bar basically of the stitch separate. Now you're going to insert that hook into that back bar and pull up the loop and take that same loop and pull it through 2 loops on your hook. And you've created the looped double crochet. All right, I'm going to do that again. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull it up to the height of your double crochet, pinch the yarn on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, and then insert your hook into that loop that's been created from the pinch. Pull up a loop, and then use that same loop and pull it through those 2 loops on your hook. Now for the sample today, I'm actually working a chain between each looped double crochet. So I'm going to chain 1 and then yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull to the height of the double crochet, pinch the yarn on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, insert into that loop that's been created, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. And again, for today's sample, I'm working a chain 1 between them. So chain 1, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull up to the height of your double crochet, pinch the yarn on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, insert into the loop that was created, pull up a loop, take that same loop on your hook that you just pulled up, and pull through 2 loops on your hook. The loop double crochet, again, creates this beautiful look. This is the front side of your work, but both sides look wonderful. If you turn it over, it's still a nice loopy laced crochet stitch.